Same. I think most of us just put print statements everywhere and hope for the best. But it is worthwhile to learn how to use a debugger. So here's how to get started with the one in VS Code. So the first thing I want to do to debug is start putting breakpoints. I'll put one here, and so this is exactly where every time it gets to this line. Next thing I want to do is start VS Code in debug mode, which you can do by pressing F5. This is a Python file, so let's debug that. So let's just print out the first two terms and see what we get. Right, so we saw that it breaks here, and we can get a look at all the variables that it's keeping track of. So I'm going to use these functions over here to go into my code. So let's step over this line, and now I want to go into the Fibonacci function that we have defined over here. So let's go into this. All right, we're now keeping track of this variable, and now let's go over this. We can continue to use these functions to figure out what's happening. I'm going to step over this line and now go back into the Fibonacci function with I equals to 1. All right, let's keep going. And now you see over here in our output, this is where we made the mistake. It should not be -1, and I think that's because we forgot to put an extra check here for if it's equal to 1.